Any niggas from Omaha, Nebraska in chat? Any middle America weird ass niggas in chat? Twerk? Okay. Oh, did somebody use my code? No, don't use my code. Don't use my fucking code! No! Wait, what? Really? Are you fucking kidding? Wait, for real? Yo, for real, don't fuck with me. Don't. That's my 1 million plaque. Are you fucking kidding me? What? Somebody just took my 1 million plaque! Oh my fucking god! Why would... Oh no! Give it back! What the fuck are you doing? Oh my god, the validation code you are trying to redeem is already been used. Give it back, you fucking people! Congratulations on reaching 1 million subscribers. Use this code to redeem your... What the fuck? Give it back! Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I can't. I'm turning the stream off. I fucking can't. No, what the fuck? What the fuck? Dude, I can't handle this, I can't. How do I get it back? How do I get it back? The fuck? How do I get it back? How do I get it back? No, dude. Oh my fucking god. I need that shit back. I need it back. This is actually fucked up. I'm losing my head. How do I get it back? Oh my fucking god. Why would they show it on the home screen? Why the fuck? Oh my god, why would they show it on the fucking screen? Oh, I have to contact YouTube. Oh my fucking god. That's my 1 million fucking plaque. Why the fuck would you take it? You piece of shit. I mean, not you guys, but whoever took it, fuck you. Whoever took it, fuck you. Oh my fucking god. Oh, I don't know what to do. DM Susan, imagine if I could fucking DM. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can I really not fucking use it? Oh my fucking god. Are you for real, nigga? Oh, I don't know anybody at YouTube, bro. Ha! Alright, let's watch this guy shoot the guy again. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh my god, the validation code you are trying to redeem is already... Baba Booey. It's over, boys. This is the end. I'm going to fade into the next world. I'm going to another round. Peace, boys. Boom. My final message. Goodbye.
Baba Booey.
My final message. Goodbye. Goodbye. Check your last dono. Oh shit, donos. Dono. Dozo. Go back to where you entered the code on YouTube and click top right. Damn, you giving me simp dollars. You got me giving simp dollars. Go back to where you entered code on YouTube and click top right. Damn, you got me. Bro, that shit is gone. I don't fuck it. Top right. This one's secure your account. Oh, this thing. It's gone. It's gone, boys. Rest in peace. It's gone, boys. It's gone. No, don't worry about it, dude. r/Air Funny, thank you 3. Go to. I'm pretty confident. I'm pretty confident, guys. I'm gonna send that tweet out though. Ha, that's epic. Ear rape is funny. Oh. At team YouTube. Someone stole my 1 million subscriber code while I was live streaming my desktop. Can you please help? I'm crying. There you go. Any niggas from Omaha, Nebraska in chat? Any middle America weird ass niggas in chat? Twerk? Okay. Oh, did somebody use my code? No, don't use my code. Don't use my fucking code! No! Wait, what? Really? Are you fucking kidding? Wait, for real? Yo, for real, don't fuck with me. Don't. That's my 1 million plaque. Are you fucking kidding me? What? Somebody just took my 1 million